Hey guys, people will tell you there are no rules in music. Is that true? What about the rule of 9? Okay, so we've got the C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C to D is a major second interval. C to E is a major third interval. C to F is a perfect fourth. C to G is a perfect fifth. C to A is a major 6, and C to B is a major 7. B to C is a minor second, A to C is a minor third, G to C is a perfect fourth, F to C is a perfect fifth, E to C is a minor 6, and D to C is a minor 7. So the first thing we note is that a major 7 becomes a minor second, a major 6 becomes a minor third, a perfect fifth becomes a perfect fourth becomes a perfect fifth, and a major third becomes a minor 6, and a major second becomes a minor 7th. So the first thing we see is that the qualities change. A major becomes a minor, which I've indicated red going to blue. That's the first thing, but the second thing you probably already noticed is that a major 7 and a minor second, 2 and 7 is 9. Major 6 and a minor third, 3 and 6 is 9. Perfect fifth and a perfect fourth, 4 and 5 are 9. Perfect 4 and a perfect fifth, 4 and 5 are 9 again. A major third and a minor 6, 6 and 3 is 9. A major second and a minor 7, 7 and 2 is 9. So every musical interval, when you take it from one point of reference to the interval and then return back, well, on the return back it will change the quality. If going forwards it's a major third, it will be a minor 6 coming back. It'll always add up to 9 and it'll always change quality. Now, is that true? Okay, so this time we've got the D flat major scale, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat and C, and we're working from C, so this is going to give us a C Locrian mode. We can see that C to D flat is a flat 2 or a minor second, C to E flat is a minor third, C to F is still a perfect fourth, but C to G flat is a diminished fifth or a flat 5. C to A flat is a minor 6, and C to B flat is a minor 7. Okay, so B flat to C is a major second, A flat to C is a major third, G flat to C is an augmented fourth or a sharp 4, F is still a perfect fifth, E flat is a major 6 to C, D flat is a major 7 to C. Okay, so the first thing you notice is that everything's completely inverted. We've now got all blue on the top and all the red on the bottom. The red indicates major and the blue indicates minor. There are two exceptions. The augmented fourth. So basically we had a perfect fourth and we've sharpened that so it's getting brighter. And the opposite of that is we had a perfect fifth and now we've flattened it, so we've made that get darker or sadder. If you want to do the blues analogy of, like, you know, things getting sadder or getting darker, then you can see how this is working. Okay, so minor 7 becomes a major 2, a minor 6 becomes a major third, a flat 5 or diminished fifth becomes an augmented fourth, a perfect fourth becomes a perfect fifth, a minor third becomes a major 6, and a minor second becomes a major 7. So once again, 7 and 2 is 9, 6 and 3 is 9, 4 and 5 is 9, 5 and 4 is 9, 3 and 6 is 9, and 2 and 7 is 9. So it always adds up to 9 and it always reverses its quality. Okay, so this time we're working with the E harmonic major scale, and that is E is the 1, F sharp is a 2, G sharp is a 3, A is a 4, B is a 5, and C is the flat 6, D sharp is the major 7. We're working from C, and this is going to give us an augmented C to D sharp is an augmented second or a sharp 2. C to E is a major third. C to F sharp is an augmented fourth or a sharp 4. C to G sharp is an augmented fifth or a sharp 5. C to A is a major 6, and C to B is a major 7. So it's basically like a major chord with 3 alterations, a sharp 2, a sharp 4 and a sharp 5, and that's our C augmented. Okay, so B to C we know is a minor second or flat 2. A to C is a minor third or flat 3. G sharp to C is a diminished fourth or a flat 4. F sharp to C is a diminished fifth or flat 5. E to C is a minor 6, and D sharp to C, now this is interesting because we've got an augmented second. Here we have a diminished 7, which is a double flat 7. So you'll know that one sharp equals 2 flats. One augmented sharp equals 2 flats. The diminished, this double flat 7, is what you see on the 7th degree of the diminished chord. So, and we know the diminished chord comes from the harmonic major scale. And in this case, the diminished is always on the 7th degree of the scale. So that would be D sharp. So D sharp is a root, E is a flat 2, F sharp is a flat 3, G sharp is a 4, A is a flat 5, B is a flat 6, and C is a double flat 7 or a diminished 7. A major 7 becomes a minor second, a major 6 becomes a minor third, an augmented fifth becomes a diminished fourth, an augmented 4 becomes a diminished fifth, a major third becomes a minor 6, and an augmented second becomes a diminished 7. 2 and 7 is 9, 6 and 3 is 9, 4 and 5 is 9, 4 and 5 is 9, 6 and 3 is 9, 7 and 2 is 9. It's always 9 and it always reverses. It gets really interesting when you start applying this, when you go back to the circle of fifths. So here's the circle of fifths: C, G, D, A, E, B, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, back to the top, B sharp. What we've got here, you've seen this before, this is the augmented triangle that I always use. C to E is a major third. E to G sharp is a major third, and G sharp to B sharp is a major third. But what you should know is this is travelling in a clockwise rotation. Major third, clockwise. Major third, still clockwise. Major third, clockwise. However, let's go back the other way. B sharp to G sharp is a minor 6. G sharp to E is a minor 6. E back to C is a minor 6. So one way we're doing major thirds, the other way we're doing minor 6. But you can see this is actually motion, this is movement. It's telling you what way it wants to go. Okay, so this is the diminished diamond that you've probably seen this. If you've watched any of my videos, this comes out a lot. Starting at the top, we've got C to E flat is a minor third. We're going counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. E flat to G flat, still going anti-clockwise. G flat to B double flat. These are all minor third intervals, and B double flat to D double flat is another minor third interval. Coming back the other way, I'm going to explain it this way. Go back to C to A is a major 6. A to F sharp is a major 6. F sharp to D sharp is a major 6. And D sharp back to B sharp is a major 6. So one way we've got, going anti-clockwise, we've got minor thirds, and going clockwise, we've got major 6s. Pretty interesting, huh? Check this out. C to D flat is a flat 2. And what's the opposite of a flat 2? Is a major 7. There's your major 7, there's your flat 2. Okay, C to D is a major second. The opposite of that is a flat 7. C to B flat is a flat 7. Clockwise major, anti-clockwise minor. C to E is a major third. And the opposite of that is a minor 6, which is A flat. Once again, clockwise in red, anti-clockwise in blue, minor, major. Okay, this time C to A is a major 6. E flat is a minor 3rd. Minor 3rd, major 6, 6 and 3 is 9. Major and minor, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, C to G, perfect 5th. C to F, perfect 4th. Although it looks like G would be like, you know, it's going in the clockwise, like major direction, and F, the 4th, is going anti-clockwise, like minor direction. But 5 and 4 equals 9. Okay, so there's obviously one point that stands out here, and that's this point here, F sharp and G flat. G flat is a flat 5, F sharp is a sharp 4. This is the tritone. If we draw a line from the tritone back to the root, what that's going to do, it divides the octave. C to C, the midpoint is right there. That's your tritone. Secondly, it divides a circle. It makes it into obviously 2 semicircles. And the other thing it does, it puts a line of reflection. So if you had a mirror, this would reflect over in the mirror the same as that, and vice versa. So it's like a line of reflection. It's a tritone, it splits the octave, and it divides a circle into 2 semicircles. So it's quite important.